today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a student visa to Serbia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a visa to a country, you need to first check if you really need a visa, because based on your nationality, purpose and duration, you may even not need it, right? And once you determine that you actually need a visa for your purpose and duration, you when it comes to application process, you should check the information on the local embassy, consulate, whichever is covering your region, because based on your place of residence there could be additional requirements, additional steps, some different steps, so that you need to see. For example, let's say you are living in India and you are a citizen of India. So I've opened the embassy of Republic of Serbia for you. So here they have given the timing at what time they accept applications, okay, and some contact details, like if you want to call them before and say, hey, can I come to submit the application, is there any appointment, all such information you can get from there. Next, like fee, right? So for study visa is like long term, so you can see visa D for long term stay in Serbia up to 180 days. Some of you may say 180 days, that doesn't sound sufficient for let's say a master degree or even higher courses. So the thing is, you go there, you apply for residence permit, and then you can stay longer. Okay. And you can also file extension. So now fee they have given. Okay. So first you need to pay 30 euros. Okay. This will be the consulate section. And if the fees, if the visa is granted, 2 euros more. So 200 rupees more or whatever you see here. How you will pay the fee? So they have done the given the bank transfer details. So uh, you can transfer using this, and you can carry the receipt with you to show them, yeah, you have actually paid the fee. Now, when it comes to apply the visa, I have opened Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Serbia. Here they have given about visa requirements and D long-term visa. Okay. So what do you need? You need the passport, of course, letter of invitation. So in case like Serbian authority for Serbian education visa, later it could be from your educational institution, your college, your university, whatever is applicable. Visa application form we saw, photograph, return ticket or itinerary, proof of sufficient funds, health insurance, visa fee. So the health insurance generally they check for 30,000 euros. So make sure, and proof of sufficient, you should have sufficient funds. Now for education, they have given, as I said, you need these documents. Certificate of enrollment in an educational institution. Okay. Copy of registration of education institution as a legal entity in the Republic of Serbia. In case of scientific research, a signed contract with scientific research organization. Okay, perfect. So now we are clear with all the things. Time to go for the form. This is photo. This section is for of embassy. Forget about it. And it's also in English, so you will not have tough time filling it. Any field that is optional is written optional, so don't worry about it. First section is pretty simple. I don't have to explain. Second section is like type of travel document, so which kind of passport you are using and its details. Current occupation, name and employer address. For students, name and address of school. Okay. Visa individual, collective, length of stay, duration, single entry, multiple entry. Other visas issued during past 3 years and their period of validity. In case of transit, previous visit to Republic of Serbia, if you have any. Purpose, so if you're going for study, education. Intended date, arrival, departure, entry. Okay. If you're going to study, like where you're going to stay, that information. Who's paying for your travel and living cost. Means of support during your stay, how you will do. Your spouse details, if you have. children if you have, and then provide some basic information, address, phone number, sign. So that's how you can go for the process. And if granted, you're all good to go. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.